Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mary. Welcome back to new subscribers. So today I'll be teaching you how to make semolina, and this is a food from West and North, I think so. First of all, you mix it with cold water. Don't use hot water. I didn't use hot water for mine, but some people used to use hot water. You can use hot water, you can use any water, but this is another method. You use cold water to mix. Cold water to just mix, depending on the quality and the quantity. You just use the cold water to keep mixing. Just mix it in, get soft. Just mix it, let it blend. Then you stir it on a low heat, a very low heat, not high heat. If it's high heat, your semo will turn to koko. There will be seed in your semo. You'll be seeing seed. And when there's seed in your semo, it's not good to spoil. So you use low heat, you just keep turning. You keep turning till it gets thicker. You just keep turning till it gets thicker. So just turn like that. I just keep turn everything, like just turn it till it gets thicker. So if you can use hot water, you can use, there are different methods, but this is my own method. And with this method, trust me, it's the best method. It is the best method. You can see that it's already getting thick a little bit. Just keep turning. You just have to turn it to be getting thick, and especially see there's cocoa inside. Don't worry, your semo have not spoiled, and it will not spoil with this kind of method. Just keep turning till everything gets solid. Just keep turning. Then this is how it will look like when you turn. But if your semo is like this, your semolina is like this, does not mean it has done. No. It will be testing of sugar. If you want to know if your semo is done or have done, you will test it while cooking it. If it's testing sugar or it's too sweet, it has not done. So I'm just pressing like this and putting water there, so it's going to boil with the semo. I want it to boil. I want it to eat. So I'm still using my low heat. I didn't increase the heat. That's why it's like this. I'm using my low heat and I use the spoon to press it, so everything is going to done. But if it's just caked up like that, it won't done inside. So I want everything to get done. So you can see that it's already done in some corners. It's already done in some corners, and so you can see it's boiling. It's boiling. So with this way, your semo is going to done inside. And you see that you add too much water, you can add a little bit of semo inside. You understand? That's how it is. So when the water has dry, you just turn your semo. You turn it, and if it's soft, if it's too soft, you can add. If it depending on how you want it to be. If you want it to be hard, you want it to be soft. But I think it should just be soft and not too soft, not too hard. That's the best way. This is not too soft, not too hard. That's the best way to do semo. Not too soft. Like once it's already cold, it will get harder if it's too hard. So not too soft, not too hard. So when it gets cold, even if the person is not eating it, will just be normal. Because when semo is cold, it gets hard. So you can say it has done. It has done like this. Just taste it. If it's tasting for sugar, still cover it. If it's not tasting sweet, that's done. So you have to test your semo first before you say it has done or not. That's the trick. That is the trick. Semo is to taste for sugar. So once you see that it has already done already, just taste it. This is how it look like. So when you've done like this, you just keep turning, stir, keep stirring, like just keep stirring till it's to your satisfaction. And while stirring, be testing it, like not that you be testing it every second. Just stir and cover, just to check that okay, or this it has done or not. You understand? So that's it. So when you're done, you just wrap it like this. Wrap it and put it inside nylon or serve hot. This semo is best eating hot. You can use any soup of your choice. Egusi or ogbono. Any soup, a riro, any soup. But I think it's best eating with a and egusi too. Like it's very sweet and delicious. But some people don't like it, but me too, I don't like it. I did it for my dad and my mom, and they enjoyed it. So if you want more video like this, please make sure you subscribe, like, and click the bell button and comment. Please comment. It helps my channel to grow for more video and more tips.